So here's a quick reset guide on the Nissan Leaf. If your service required light is displayed on your dashboard, it is really easy to reset. Using the paddle control on the right hand side of the steering wheel, select on the lower bar the right hand menu, which is highlighted. Then just press and hold OK. The display will start to flash like so. Once it stops flashing, your service mileage will be displayed. And that's it. That's all there is to it. This has been how to fix it. Thanks for watching. Here's some more great videos for you to watch. Don't forget to hit like and subscribe. And I will see you in the next one.